What is up, dogs? It is your favorite nobody back again with another moto vlog. Now today we are riding a beautiful, almost bone stock 2014 Yamaha R6 as provided by my lovely roommate and friend R6 Nash on YouTube. So today we're gonna go finish scrubbing in some tires for this kid. Just gonna take this lovely, beautiful machine out for some cold twisties. Ah!
It's kind of scary.
Oh.
He's so insane.
I wish I had my camera when I was riding. No way. Oh my god. Dude, there's no way. Oh. That really sucks. I'm good. Wow. Huh.
Check it out, man. Is it gonna ride?
Huh?
Is it gonna ride?
Oh yeah, no, it's fine. It just scratched the plastics.
You all right?
Yeah.
Cool. Man, that was scary. I was coming right at you.
That scared me too. Oh. Well, thanks for not hitting me.
Well, I wasn't going fast, but you know, I saw you coming in that on the other lane, and next time I see you, you're sliding. So,
Oh.
you all right though? You sure?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Okay, man. Take her. What happened? Did you hit some?
No, it's my friend's bike. He has new tires on.
Yeah.
So I went to go take it to scrubbing the tires.
Right.
And
It doesn't look too bad.
it just did this.
It didn't even get the other stand, foot peg.
Oh.
Might have skipped that up a little. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm
All
just.
right, brother.
Well, thank you.
Take care, man.
Oh, Ian's gonna be my. Oh. Well, I'm gonna though. Well, glad I was recording that. All right, guys, I will talk to y'all later. Yeah, it on both sides. Why not?